Hello everyone and welcome to the very first video content marketing tutorial. What this tutorial is going to be about today, I am going to show you how to take keyword set that represent your channel, and the more niche your channel is, the better off you're going to be. We're going to take that keyword set and we're going to create an entire linkage data set so that you can add this to your channel descriptions and tags and titles and your info section, and this is going to integrate into every bit and piece of your channel. And the purpose behind this is when you link all your channel information to all your video information, to all your tag information and all your title information, that creates a marriage between all of your content. Thereby, when someone finds your channel and they come and watch a video, on that suggested list right next to, down the right hand side of your videos, you always have a list of other videos, and you want as many of those to be yours as possible, especially now that YouTube seems like it's going to leave as default the auto continue, which means that when your video is done, it's going to load the next video in that series of boxes on the right hand side. If those are all yours, you're going to get a lot more views on your channel. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be a lot of fun. For 17 years, I worked in the tech industry as desktop support, so it was really easy for me to come up with 20 keywords that represent this sort of channel. The key here is that you want to have your channel be as niche as possible. If you don't know 20 keywords for your channel, you're probably not doing anything that you know enough about that you should have a channel for it. But that's up to you. That's your call. So this is what it will look like when you are finished. So up here in the top right, you have your title. And you can see your title has all the information about the video in it, plus your channel name. This is really important. You want to make sure your channel name is in there as well. So over here on the left-hand side, you can see this would be a full description. Now the points in yellow are all interconnected. They should have keywords that connect them to one another. In the right hand side, you see a list of tags. The tags that are in yellow are tags that are specifically for this video. I'm going to show you how to find your keyword tags for your videos so that you can make sure you get stuff that hopefully ranks pretty well. The stuff in red, those are your channel tags. Those tags will go in every single video that you do, thereby linking each video based on those channel tags. And then the stuff that is in blue, there are keyword rich description of what you're going to find on this channel. This goes in every single description that you do. And we're going to walk through how to write this stuff, how to create this stuff. That is going to be in part 4 of the series. And then of course you see right here in the channel tags, you have all of the tags that are specific to this category of video on your channel. So the yellow ones are specific to the video, the red ones are specific to your channel, the blue ones are specific to the category of video that you are doing right now. And this is going to be something that links every single video on your channel together so that you can easily dominate that little sidebar on your channel. I want to show you the keywords right here. These are the keywords that I'm going to use to start my new channel. I chose these keywords just based on your average PC type channel. So you've got motherboard, hard drive, RAM, video card, benchmarking. These are all keywords that you would search for if you were looking for information on how to set up, build, change, fix, whatever, any sort of PC type thing. On the right hand side, I kind of put some common brands in there that might yield some really interesting keywords as well. Today is going to be part 1. This is just the first step in this particular process. Today we are basically going to do the data collection part of the process. And you're going to see lots and lots of garbage in there. You're not going to want to worry about that. Video 2 is going to cover how you cleanse all the data so that it's ready for you to actually use. I'm gonna hop right into it. To do what I'm doing today, I'm using a tool called vidIQ. You may or may not have vidIQ, and trust me, it's not cheap. To get the tool that I'm using, it's a $50 a month subscription. But here's the thing. There are plenty of keys that you can get out on the internet to get a 30-day trial of vidIQ so that you can do this process for your channel for absolutely nothing. Now, I use vidIQ all the time, so it is something that I am subscribed to, but I'm not telling you something that you can't do for free. Okay, you can go out there. It's very simple to find other people who are involved with the affiliate program, and I will be soon as well. But you can find other people that are involved with the affiliate program, get a free 30-day trial link to the boost of vidIQ, and it gives you access to everything you're going to see here today. This is like a, I don't know, 5-6 hour process. So a 30-day trial of vidIQ will probably sell you on it anyways, but you don't need to buy it to be able to do what I'm doing today. We are going to start right here. And here's how this works. I am going to open, so here I've got my keywords that I am going to gather data on for the channel. This process is pretty simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select a keyword. I'm going to copy that keyword. We're going to go in here and we're just going to paste the keyword in here, and boom, we're going to collect data on that keyword. Now, you don't need to worry about what all this information is up here. I'm going to go through all of this when we are cleansing the data and categorizing it in the next one. But what you want to do is you just want to select all of this data. And blah, blah, blah. We're going to select every little bit and piece of this data, and we are going to go back into our nifty spreadsheet. Now, for the spreadsheet piece, I'm using Excel. You don't have to use Excel. You can use the spreadsheeting piece in Google Docs. It's free. It works. I'm going to go over here, go to data from keys. I am just going to paste in the data that I just collected. Usually what I'll do is I will go down here. I'll scroll down to the bottom of the data that we just collected. Put my little cursor here. Go back to the starter keys. We're going to go down to the next one, Control C, and we are going to collect the next set of keyword information from this keyword. And it's pretty simple from there on out. And we're going to just paste these puppies into the data from keys. And that's pretty much it. We're going to go through every single keyword in our list. Now, you're going to notice as I go through this process that there is bunches and bunches and bunches of these keywords that are truly, truly, truly irrelevant to what we are doing. And you're going to find that. You are going to find that you're going to collect lots and lots of keywords that are not going to represent your channel. Don't worry about this. I'm going to show you how to cleanse all that data in the next step. That's going to be in part 2. You're going to want to do 20 or so keywords for your channel. This is a repetitive process that you're not going to really need to see 500 times. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to slap them in the chat and I will try to get to them. And this particular part of the process is not nearly as time consuming as cleansing the data. I'm going to let you know that right now. Next week's video is probably going to be much more time intensive than this particular one. But that is basically the process. You just go through, you copy those out, you paste them in here, and you collect your keywords. The beautiful part about this process is that this actually creates so many video ideas that you're going to be able to do on your channel, even for keywords that aren't that great. You're going to be able to just discover hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of ideas for video content on your channel just by taking 20 keywords or so and putting them through this process. When you are finished with going through your 20 keywords or so, you're going to have between 4,000 and 6,000 keywords. 4,000 and 6,000 keywords, some of which are not necessarily going to represent your channel all that well. I think that's pretty much all you need to know about step 1 of this process. You can see right here all this entire description, on my about page, was created based on the data sets that we're collecting now. Not that specific data set. This specific data set is going to be for another channel, not one of my channels, because as much as I am an expert in PC tech and all that stuff, it is not something I want to talk about on a channel on a regular basis. But I'm collecting the data set anyways, just to show you guys how to do it. And if you want to start a tech channel that talks about PC information and you want the data set, hit me up. We'll figure something out. You are going to see the fruits of this look very similar to this later on as we work through the process. That is just about what we've got going on here today. So do me a favor, guys. If you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. The content is only going to get better. This is my first attempt at doing a live tutorial. It may or may not have gone well. I don't really know. I'll have to check it out on the replay. But hopefully you understand what the first step in the process is. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up on Twitter or Instagram or any of the other locations that I am easily available at. If growing your channel, finding like-minded creators to collaborate with, or earning a little money on YouTube are things you are interested in, elevate your strategy and subscribe to the channel. And click that notification bell so you know when there's a new opportunity to grow and learn. Until next time, be good to each other. Lend a hand to your fellow creator. It all comes back around in the end. Market like a boss. VCM out.